Hey guys, get your skillets ready because today we're going to be preparing a quick and easy dinner recipe for salsa verde chicken. It's bursting with flavors and it only takes a few ingredients to prepare. Now let's get started. Probably one of the most easiest recipes you will ever make. Slice 2 chicken breasts horizontally to give you 4 fillets. Season both sides well with some salt and pepper, garlic and chili powder. Heat up a skillet with a drizzle of olive oil and on a medium heat, cook the chicken until it's fully cooked, flipping halfway through to get both sides deliciously golden brown. If you're new here, welcome. I post new recipes weekly. Be sure to sub to my channel and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out. Once the chicken is fully cooked, remove it onto a plate and add to your skillet a half a cup of chicken broth and 2 cups of salsa verde. Use any green salsa of your liking, but I must warn you, if your jar of salsa says medium, it will be super spicy. So if you don't do heat like me, go for something that says mild. Allow it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, and once it has reduced and cooked down into a thick sauce, go ahead thereafter and add the chicken back into the pan. This skillet would not be complete unless it's sprinkled with some fresh lemony cilantro and of course some shredded cheese. This skillet, you guys, is fire. It's bursting with the most vibrant flavors thanks to those green tomatillos with the chiles and the onion. I must say, my favorite way to enjoy this is shredded inside a big quesadilla. But this goes well with pretty much any side dish. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, you must click on the link at the end of this video because I have the most indulgent, mouth-watering recipe for chile verde from scratch that's smothered in chicharrones and carnitas. It's just as quick and just as easy.